Hello, so I want to show you guys some stuff tonight. Kids, adults, teens, anybody. If you love trains, you might want to stay for this one. Okay? So what happens is, tonight, I wanted to show you guys how I know about each train identification. For those who don't know, let me show you. And then we're going to show you some pictures. First of all, I need to do some work before I can film it on it, because it's not in the best condition since I've been working with it. I got it, but okay. So when you see this 1545 clear train number, but if you hear like GP 15-1, you might wonder, well, that's an identification, but what do they call it that? That's what it is, just identification. Not, you know what I'm saying, from what I've heard. Now, what I was taught. Now, I'm going to show you. When you're rail fanning and a train comes by, if it's not going very fast, you might wonder, how do I look at a train and say, ST-70 E350? Here. Look closely. See it? Right there, GP 15-1. Right below the numbers. That's how you tell a train. So if it comes by, you want to look right there at it. And it's written small. Now let's take some look at the pictures. And for my friend, here you go. The train you see where you live. So yeah, you might say I have a lot of cool stuff. That train will run. You can also get this stuff off the store. Train